Whether you are going for a job interview or any important event, eyes plays an important role as it connects you with the people. Even if you don't talk a lot, your eyes did a great thing. It is a window to the soul. So today I am going to tell you how to make your eyes more attractive. So let's have a look. Hi everyone, myself Dr. Pratnya and welcome to my channel Doc Vertex. This channel is all about vision, best vision product, information about all color allergies, infection, prevention and treatment of all this condition. So in this video I will tell you 10 tips to make your eyes more attractive, and please watch this video till end. In the end I will give one bonus tip. Now how to make your eyes more attractive. Eyes consist of mainly 4 parts: the eyeball, then the eyebrow, then eyelashes and the skin around the eye. So you have to make these 4 things more attractive. Automatically you will have attractive eyes. Now tip number 1, you can put the artificial tear substitute drops which will remove all the dust and dirt from your eyes and make your eyes look more brighter, whiter and healthy. If you are having red eyes, then you can put certain anti-allergic drops so that the redness will go off and you will have brighter and whiter eyes. Please do not put any alcohol based drop as it will damage your eyes, and please put the anti-allergic drops after the prescription of an ophthalmologist so that you will have more whiter and brighter eyes. The white eye looks bigger than the normal. Now tip number 2, as your body requires rest, the eyes also require rest. If you do not take proper sleep, then you can develop dark circles, puffy eyes, redness in the eyes and even spasm of the eye, dry eye. So it is very essential to take a proper sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours. That will relax your all eye muscles and prevent your eye from dryness, and your eyes will look healthy. Now tip number 3, you can use certain household items such as chilled cucumber can be put on the eyes which will remove the puffiness of the eye. You can use potato slices so that it will remove the dark circles. You can also have tea bags and soak them in a lukewarm water and then remove excess of the water and then chill that bag in a refrigerator for a few minutes and put each bag on both the eyes and rest for 3 to 5 minutes. It will remove all the puffiness. It will improve the caffeine in the tea bag, will improve the blood circulation around the eye and will prevent the formation of wrinkles around the eye and keep the skin around the eye healthy, and you will have attractive eyes. Now tip number 4, use a proper eye gel to keep the skin around the eye moist, as the skin around the eye is very thin as compared to other part of the body and it contains less sweat and sebaceous gland. So it is our duty to keep the area around eye moist. So you can you have to apply some eye gel or eye cream to keep the area around the eye moist. It will prevent the formation of the wrinkles around the eye. Now the 5th tip is to have enough of water. It is a very simple tip. You have to drink at least 5 liters of water as it will keep the skin around the eye hydrated. As I have already told that the skin around the eye has less number of sweat and sebaceous gland, hence water will hydrate the skin and keep it moist. Proper quantity of water will keep the luxure of the eye constant. So drink at least 5 liters of water a day. Now about the eyebrows. Eyebrows will define the health of the eye. If you have bright and dark eyebrows, then your eyes will automatically look attractive. You have to keep your eyebrows trim and in shape. For the means, you have to remove the excess of the hairs around the eyebrow and give them proper shape, not exact shape, but you have to give rough borders to the eyebrow. So it will define your eye and you will have attractive eyes. Do not wax the eyebrow, as it will give a artificial look to the eye and not a natural look. Now the seventh tip, that is about the skin around the eye. You will develop a wrinkle which start from the one end of the eye and will spread out just like a crow fit. It will look like a crow fit. You can prevent the crow fit formation. It is very difficult to treat the crow fit after its development, but you can prevent the formation of the crow fit by applying sunscreen or applying the cream that is loaded with a superior anti-wrinkling agents such as antioxidants, skin restoring ingredients, etc. If you don't have wrinkles around the eye, your eyes will look more attractive. Now tip number 8 about the eyelashes. Long and thick eyelashes will give bigger appearance to the eye and more attractive appearance to your eye. Everyone wishes to have a long eyelashes. You can have long eyelashes by applying a petroleum jelly over the eye. You can take the petroleum jelly between these two fingers. You can rub that so that it get liquefied, and then close your eyes and apply them over your eyelashes. During the night time, and you will have long and thick eyelashes within 7 days. So your eyes will look more attractive and big. Now tip number 9, if you want more bright and healthy eyes, then you have to take antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin A and vitamin C in your diet. I have made a separate video on what to eat for healthy eyes. Please check that video in a description box. Now tip number 10, you have to do exercise. Eye exercise are essential to keep your eye healthy and to relax your eye muscles. You will be amazed by seeing result of doing exercise for at least 3 to 5 minutes a day. So it is very easy and essential to do eye exercise at least 3 to 5 minutes a day. Then you will have more bright and healthy eyes. Now these are the 10 tips for bright and healthy eyes, so that you will have more attractive eyes. Now it is time for a bonus point. Now the bonus point is you have to use sunglasses whenever you go outside, as the sunglasses will protect your eyes from the UV rays, which are very harmful for the eye, as the sun rays can cause sunburn and you will have lusterless eyes. Hence it is very essential to wear sunglasses. It will also protect your eyes from getting dry and also protect your eyes from dust. It will also cover the skin around the eye so that the wrinkle formation will be prevented. So please use sunglasses while going outside. If this information is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.